Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video here. As you guys can see, I have my box. I got it finally. This is the one I've been waiting for that I told you guys. Honestly, it's the only items from SAS that I've ordered from online. I haven't placed any other orders online unless it was to pick up in store. These in particular were, let me start opening the box. They were from that glitch. I don't even know if it's a glitch, but basically we got the colognes for like $3.95. I ordered several. I didn't want the chance of my order being canceled from doing like a pickup in store. I know some of you guys were able to do that. Great. I wanted to make sure, like I thought that I would run a better chance of ordering online. So I was quite all right with paying the $6.99 for the shipping, because like $4 for, for some colognes, and I ordered several. So let's just get into this box. Let's pull out this paper here. Let me put it to the side. There we go. You guys see all those colognes? I ordered several, and they're gonna be for gifts. I mean, I think I'm gonna keep one of each for the boys. I gave the other ones I had ordered for my mom, and I need to make sure that I price adjust some of them once they go down. So basically they're not all going to be for me, they're for gifts, and I am going to go ahead and keep one of each for my boys. But let's start with this bag. On that day they still had these were $5. So let me see, I'm gonna make sure. Yeah, so these little bags were $5 when I ordered them. So again, these are going to be like great for like a gift set. I think this one I will give to like the main coach. Like a lot of times when my kids play sports, there's like one main coach. Yeah, they're not each going to get one because it's a lot, but they'll get that main coach. You guys see the cologne, so let's get into these little candles. These I got with rewards, so I went ahead and used up 2 rewards for these candles here. One, I already know how it smells because it's like I have the 3-wick. The other one I don't. Vintage. I really like this one. I really like the vintage cologne. I feel like it has this lavender scent that I really do enjoy in it. And as of right now, I can't remember what the other scents are. I do have the other one in my living room, but I'm not going to go get that right now. So there we go. And we have this one I don't have. This one right here, Freshwater, I don't have in the 3-wick, but I do love the way the body care smells, and I am just so happy to have this one. This one's going to be a great one for the bathroom. So this is what's going to go into the bathroom next. Yes, I like that scent. So we have an Oasis. I decided to get another Oasis for my boys. So I picked one up in store and I have this one. So now I have 2. I should be fine because again, well, my boys do actually use up their body cream soon, like fast. So you guys will see in my empties that, they've used several already. Finally, like I have been able to smell this one in the store. I do like it because finally, like one of the stores by me got it, and I have it. I had already ordered this one though, so I didn't want to pick up another one for now. Sweet cinnamon, brown sugar, fluffy dough. I really don't think the cinnamon is really strong on this. I think it's more like of the sugar and maybe the dough, but it's so sweet and good and gourmand. If you like gourmand scents, this is for you. I really love it. I wish it was a body cream, but we will deal with it. But Bath and Body Works, we need a mist in this one. Like I need a fragrance mist. Yes, I'm a gourmand person, love my sweet gourmand scents. Now I also got this little cutie, and it was $3.95. Yeah, it was $3.95. Same price as the cologne. Can you believe it? This little pocket bag, same price as the cologne. Let me press it. Look at how cute. This is for me. Yep, I like it. I think it's cute. It's for my little collection. So that's for me. And then I picked up another thing with rewards. I picked up this Gingham Love with rewards. I really love the scrubs, the foaming sugar scrubs. I really love it. I love this scent. So this one is definitely for me. I wanted to pick up another one. I didn't want to pay for it. So I went ahead and just used up my rewards. So there's that one. And here we got 1 stone. I'm going to just leave them in here for you guys. Let's see, 2 stones. I feel like I should have picked up more, but honestly, for whatever reason, I keep fearing like that things will get canceled. So yeah, I should have picked up more. 3 stones. I should have at least done 4 and 4. And then I got 4 of the clean slates. 1 clean slate, two clean slate. I'll take them out of the bottle, like so you guys can see the actual bottles. But if you guys watch the walkthroughs, I think you've seen them. They display them out. Another clean slate, so that's the third one, and the fourth clean slate. I will be taking it out of there so you guys can see it. Okay, give me a second. So here is the clean slate bottle. I love the blue on this bottle, and I was noticing something that's different. I will show you in a minute from these two. And here's the stone. So see, clean slate has this little Bath and Body Works like little sign right there. If you guys can see it, I can't see it that good through the right there. Do you guys see that? Bath and Body Works. And this one doesn't. I wonder why. Anyways, honestly, I had never even noticed it, but I just was putting them out here like this, and I was like, what is that? But yeah, I love this bottle more because of the color. It's so cute, but I love these two colognes, and I'm just happy to had gotten it at such a great price. Look at, I could give like such a great gift to someone. That is just the best deal. And if I can get more, like honestly, I would get more. But this is my haul, friends. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. And until the next one, my friends, I will see you guys here back tomorrow. I will be doing a store walkthrough. I did not go into the store. Do not need to be going to the store this weekend. Just been spending time with family here at home, enjoying like our new swimming pool obviously, and just having the best time. So I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a great weekend and great Sunday. Until Friends, I interrupted my original goodbye because I wanted to let you guys know that tomorrow, which is Monday, some of you guys, it's already going to be Monday, so sorry if I let you know too late. That's just how it works sometimes. It's going to be June 27th is a great day to shop, so get up bright and early if you're watching this in time. That is for California people. Sorry, we basically either don't sleep or just be crazy and wake up in the middle of the night at 3 a.m. to shop online for the great deals if we don't want everything that, you know, those special things we want to be sold out. And otherwise, get up and be there at your stores right when they open. That's just my suggestion, you know, take it or leave it. I love you guys. Now I can really say goodbye. I hope you guys had a blessed weekend and blessed Sunday. Until the next one, my friends. Bye.